So it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm here at Pearson International Airport getting ready to fly to New Jersey to meet my dad. He flew down yesterday and we were supposed to be picking up a boat, but unfortunately the deal fell through. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to go and start driving up the coast towards New Brunswick, see what we can see. If we find a nice boat, we might buy it and sail it home. Otherwise, it'll be an adventure. So I thought I'd videotape a few things and see what we could see. Anyway, got a few hours till my flight, so I will check in later. Ooh, Hortons. So, still really early in the morning. Found a Hortons though, might be the last one for a week and a half, so I'm gonna try and enjoy it. But plane's not at the gate yet, but should be leaving shortly. Can't wait to hook up with Dad and look at some boats. Should be good. So, on the ground here in New Jersey, just got to get on the train and find the rental cars. Here comes the train now. So we made it. We're in New York. Navigating to the first boat.
Keep left on I-95 North.
First boat. Number 2. Ooh, Loran. High tech. Good news, they turned off the Loran system, what was it, like last year? Big screen TV.
They retrofitted his box was showing pink foam. I mean, this is a nice size. Now, where's the on the table?
a good size. Okay, third boat. We're here in Rhode Island.
You put in this aft set, and then the boat has an attachable rear force. Well, that's one of the things I found with them was Navman sold them to North Star, which sold them to somebody else who doesn't do So is the other boat here? Yes. Okay, so she was hull number one. There's actually more from there, where that cross piece is, here. Pulled it all out, rebuilt the mast step. It was steel mast step. It was steel and it was all rotted. This is 304 stainless, so this is just surface 4 quarter berth.
We actually forgot about that one. That's an old gray. Yeah, all the original port lights were here, and they were basically non-functioning.
You didn't get it all.
Right. Exactly.
Because it's break off. Yeah, I've had them.
So when we had the floor up, we repaired this, scraped away all the rust, treated it with
Max chip. She goes halfway up the Jersey coast, right into Canada. And that's the same one. It's got the whole But we've got standardized them, which is
these doors pull out from that storage underneath. The engine was put in '92. It's a universal M35. Not had any issues with it. Just do regular.
Oh, it's got, yeah, the builder has one up higher, but it's relatively small. If you're dealing with pilings, they're a good idea.
Oh, yeah.
Modern floats are useless. Yeah, you know, the only thing about decks working from above is pretty easy. And where the non-skid's already been painted.
the zip saw. Tear it apart.
Where do you sail up from that home?
St. John, New Brunswick.
Oh, okay. Oh, 906. Yeah, I was thinking that was it. 406, 906. I was thinking that was New Brunswick.
506.
There you go. St. Andrews.
Yeah, my next stop is the RCP office.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's actually where we will put
So
that.
it's been that long?
Just moved there.
The last time we went up there, about that. Welcome to Canada. Small town, specs again.
Now it's beautiful.
Okay.
We sail in the inland waterways, and you know, very occasionally people out there.
Special thanks to Captain Kirk for his price line negotiator, $50 for this fabulous room at the Marriott. Most excellent. So that was day one of boat hunting. Let us know what you think of the boats and which one you like the best. Have a good night.